Welcome to BSc 3 students. Myself Dr. Mirs Bhoite SA, Head Department of Zoology, कर्मवीर भाऊराव पाटील महाविद्यालय पंढरपूर. In BSc 3 syllabus, paper number 9th, name of the paper non-chordates. In the non-chordates syllabus, the name of the topic is the nutrition in protozoa. The first point is what is the meaning of the nutrition? The processes by which organisms take in food, digest and assimilate, it is called as nutrition. In protozoa, there are 6 types of nutrition. First type, holophytic nutrition. Second, holozoic nutrition. Third, saprozoic nutrition. Fourth, mixotropic nutrition. Fifth, parasitic nutrition. Sixth, coprozoic nutrition. First type is the holophytic nutrition. In holophytic nutrition, it is a plant-like nutrition. Protozoa synthesize carbohydrate by photosynthesis. They are provided with chlorophyll. The synthesize carbohydrate with the help of CO2, H2O and minerals. For example, in holophytic nutrition, Euglena, Volvox, etc. It is center of the photosynthesis. Second type is the holozoic nutrition. In holozoic nutrition, it is animal-like nutrition. In this type, mode of protozoans take in ready-made solid food particles in the form of microorganisms, bacteria, yeast, algae and small metazoans. Holozoic mode of nutrition involves 4 steps. First step is the ingestion or food capture. Second is the digestion. Third is the absorption and assimilation. And fourth step is the egestion. The first step is the ingestion. The food capture in different classes of protozoa. In protozoa, there are different classes like that: class Ciliata, class Rhizopoda, class Flagellata or Mastigophora, class Sporozoa. These are the classes of the protozoa. The locomotory organs play important role in food capture. For example, amoeba, no definite mouth, so that food is captured. For example, so that food is captured at any point on body surface by pseudopodia. They occurs by the following ways. In ingestion, there are different ways. First is the circumvallation. Second way is the circumfluence. Third is the invagination. And fourth is the import. First type is the circumvallation. It is found in amoeba. Amoeba captures on actively moving prey like Paramoecium. A food cup is formed by throwing out pseudopodia surrounding the prey and coming in contact with prey. Gradually, the cup is completed to form a food vacuole. The food vacuole moves into the cytoplasm. Second, circumfluence. When amoeba comes in contact with a less active organism like bacteria, It extends its pseudopodia around the organism and envelops in a food vacuole within cytoplasm. Invagination. The prey is held fast by adhesive secretion of pseudopodia and then killed by toxic substances secreted by the body. The ectoplasm, in contact with the prey, is invaginated, thus gradually taking the food inside the body into a food vacuole, and the food vacuole moves into the cytoplasm. Next point is the import. This method involves the taking in a food such as algal filament on contact. The food passively sinks into the body by rupturing the plasma lemma and ectoplasm at the point of contact. The ruptured sites heals up. Next point is the pinocytosis. The ingesting liquid food through the body surface is called pinocytosis, or it is commonly called as the cell drinking. At some part of the body, only pinocytic channels are formed to enclose the liquid food. The lower end of the channel is pinched off as a food vacuole enters into the endoplasm. Next point is the digestion. Food in protozoa is digested within food vacuole, circulating in the endoplasm. Within food vacuoles, the acid reaction and alkaline reactions are present in digestion processes. The carbohydrate proteolytic enzymes in many protozoan organisms. There are two mediums are present. In acidic medium, proteins are converted into dipeptides, and in alkaline medium, dipeptides are converted into amino acid. Some are digest fats. In paramecium, the food vacuole shows cyclosis movements, during which food vacuole travel along a definite path. During this movement, the food is digested, absorbed by the endoplasm. Next point is the absorption. Digested food is diffused into the endoplasm and assimilated into the protoplasm. Excess food is stored as glycogen, lipid, etc. Next point is the egestion. In egestion, undigested food is egested at any point on the body surface. The animal simply moves forwards, leaving the fecal matter behind in Mastigophora and Ciliata, which possesses pellicle. Egestion occurs at a fixed point, which is commonly called as the cytophagy or cell anus. It is located in the posterior region of the body. It is a temporary opening seen in paramecium. For example, Balantidium and Nyctotherius, a permanent anal opening which is commonly called as cytoproct. Third type is the saprozoic nutrition. In this type of the saprozoic nutrition, the absorption of decayed organic material as a food, which is commonly called as the saprozoic nutrition. The food consists of decayed plants and animals. They are absorbed in solution through the general body surface For example, Euglena, Entamoeba, etc. Fourth type of the nutrition is mixotrophic nutrition. Certain protozoans feed by more than one method. For example, Euglena. It exhibits different type of the nutrition is like that: holophytic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, and saprozoic nutrition. Fifth type, parasitic nutrition. Parasites obtain their food from their host. They feed by holozoic or saprozoic method. Parasites may feed on digested food of host or on the tissues of the host. For example, Trypanosoma feeds on the blood by saprozoic type of the method. Trichomonas feed on digested food. And the last type, coprozoic nutrition. A few free-living protozoa feed upon the fecal matter of other organisms. For example, Tillenia. Thank you.